Good morning and welcome. My fellow members of the Board of Supervisors and I adopted this ordinance establishing letter grades for mobile food facilities in October of last year, and I'm pleased to say that this program is underway. Once again, Los Angeles County is at the vanguard of food safety and in the food safety industry. This ordinance is a fine example of how the Department of Public Health and the County of Los Angeles are creating programs that are unprecedented anywhere in the country. We are the first to apply our well-known letter grading program to mobile food facilities such as food trucks, hot dog carts, and other vendors. The success of the restaurant grading program, which was the first of its kind in the nation, demonstrated that residents of Los Angeles County have come to expect certain high standards, high level of food safety when eating out. By applying these same requirements to mobile food facilities, Angelenos can be assured of employee hygiene, of safe food, of clean facilities, and they can be assured that their risk of getting sick from eating at these places and buying food from these facilities has been significantly diminished. These problems of illness and lack of hygiene, can cost our residents their health, money, valuable time away from work or school, and the joy that comes from visiting their favorite restaurant or after checking Twitter for a favorite food truck. By requiring all food facilities, whether they are on wheels or not, to undergo inspection and maintain their current permits, the risk of foodborne illness can be greatly reduced. As a consumer, you will be able to instantly identify facilities that are certified and inspected by seeing these familiar grades, A, B, and C, letters on their windows or on their trucks. We continue to actively protect your health and peace of mind through this program, and I hope that you take advantage of this program by visiting more of these fine facilities. I want to say, beyond my prepared remarks, that one of the really great things that this county has done in the 16 years I've been on the Board of Supervisors is establishing this grade program for restaurants. People know when they see these grades what kind of a facility they're going to. But more important than that, it holds the proprietors of these restaurants, and in the future now, these food trucks, holds them accountable. If they want to do good business, they want to get an A rating. They don't want to get a B or a C rating because there are too many of the competition that have A ratings. So you want to have the best rating you can. And they work at it, and as a result, they do better business, and the public health is advanced. We want to extend, and we are extending, this very successful program, the largest of its kind in the nation, to mobile food facilities, including food trucks like the ones we see behind us. We appreciate the cooperation we've had from the food truck industry. They realize this is in their best interest as well as the public health's interests. And for that, we are grateful, and it will ensure that this program is as successful as the restaurant program was. So we want people to eat at restaurants, buy food from food trucks, and have the confidence that the food they're buying is healthy and meets basic health standards. And I want to now turn this over to Dr. Jonathan Fielding, who is the Director of Public Health of the County of Los Angeles, and who's been tasked with the responsibility of implementing both the original grading program for restaurants and now this one. Dr. Fielding.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Supervisor Yaroslavsky, and thanks to the Board of Supervisors for their very strong support of this program. This is a natural extension of the program that was started back in 1998 when we, for fixed sites, started to grade those facilities. And what we found when we started was that about 57% had earned an A, but of course nobody knew that before we started grading them. But today, about 85% or more have earned an A, and our goal is to have every restaurant earn an A. Now what we have here are simply mobile restaurants. They're restaurants on wheels. So consumers have told us we want the same ability to choose whether we only go to A's or whether we are willing to go to A's and B's, and whether we're willing to go to a C, as we do when we're going to fixed site restaurants. And We've shown that this grading program reduces the frequency of severe foodborne illness requiring hospitalization by over 13%. So this is a good program for food safety. It's great for consumers, and it provides the right incentives. So for these operators, the incentive is to make food hygiene issues and protecting everybody who eats there top of mind. We want that to be the #1 concern, protecting the public's health. And after that, of course, we want them to make good food that you like. But #1 is protecting the public health. And these grades are a reflection, when we inspect them, of the attention that they're paying day to day to food hygiene practices to make them safe. The issues of hand washing, the issues of cross-contamination, fruit preparation, the right holding temperatures, the right apparatus to in fact prepare food and keep the food cold, the fact that there aren't vermin around the food truck. All these work. So what we have here is we want everybody to get an A, and as you can see up here that the food truck behind us has earned an A, and you're going to be able to see that right up when you go to the side of the truck. In the past, we had the inspection certificate on the back. People didn't always know it was there. Now people can check, A, has it been inspected, and B, has it been graded? And if it hasn't been graded, we're going to be getting to it soon. We expect there are about 6,000 of these mobile food facilities, and we will be inspecting all of them by next year. And we will start with those that in fact are this size, and we'll be ending up with those that are the smaller carts that are pulled along. But all are going to be graded. And if you don't see a grade by 2012, about June, then you want to let us know, because that'll mean there's a problem. So again, our thanks to the Board of Supervisors, Supervisor Yaroslavsky, and the other supervisors who have been terribly strong supporters of this. This is a win for consumers, it's a win for food safety, and it's a win for the mobile food van operators who have been very cooperative. Thank you very much.